Hey there, we're going to practice some more sounds today. Our first word that we're going to look at is, what is it? It's a wagon. That's right. Wagon starts with the w sound. Wagon. Yes, that's right. What letter makes the w sound? Who knows? Tell somebody. A W makes the w sound. Great job. Okay, I have another one for you. We're going to call this a jacket. Jacket. What makes the j sound? Do you know? Tell somebody. The J makes the j sound. Jacket. J. Say it with me. J says j. Say it again. J says j. Good job. What is it? It's a dog. That's right. Dog starts with the letter. What letter? What sound? It starts with D. D. What letter makes the D sound? Write it. Tell somebody. The D makes the D sound. That's right. The D makes the D sound. Good job. Say it with me. D says D. D says D. Okay, we have a new sound, a new word. What is it? It's a necklace. Necklace. That first sound is N. What makes the N sound? Tell somebody. The letter N makes the N sound. Necklace. N says N. Say it with me. N says N. Great job. Okay, one more word. What is this? It's an igloo. Igloo. What's the first sound? Igloo. The first sound is I. Yeah, I. What letter makes the I sound? Tell somebody. What is it? It's an I. I says I. I says I. Say it with me. I says I. See you guys later.